Dua warga Indonesia yang positif terinfeksi virus corona dilaporkan melakukan kontak dengan warga negaranya tersebut COVID-19 di wilayah Jawa Barat selain memperbarui data pasien dan upaya pengawasan.
Hi everyone, I am Renan Dermawan from Business Communication class. I am here to discuss solution to the resolve the COVID-19 pandemic. Indonesia is not free from the coronavirus, in my opinion, and very important. Never in the last 2 years has Indonesia success in controlling COVID, because the communication and mentality of its leaders to solve this COVID solution does not exist. During the first 2 months, there have been many words that have a negative impact on the resolution of COVID. The Vice President said, "And now to drink with horse milk," said the Minister of Transportation, "and now to eat Jogja cat rice." Mr. Luhut said, "and not sunlight." Presiden Joko Widodo also said that he was at peace with COVID. Then Mr. JK replied that if COVID did not want to make peace, how? This is what makes a jokes. So it doesn't show the segment is solving the problem. So how do we fight the coronavirus? The first thing to watch out for is out habit, meaning we know that out of this we have a lot of virus. Indeed, we have to be more careful in our behavior. The second, getting used to not doing things like touching the face. So that means the possibility for anything that causes disease transmission if we can avoid it. So that the behavior of maintain personal hygiene is very important to emphasize to us. The third is diligent exercise. An interesting challenge this means that we learn to healthy is important. This is very important and must be a top priority not only for healthy workers but also for our community, and it is a shared responsibility. So we can prove that yesterday until now we cannot control if our behavior does not change much. As for the sake of one day, it might happen again at some point. To that, they are medical personnel, even though they are currently busy preparing drugs and vaccines. For the current pandemic, doctors will still be able to prepare in case another pandemic occurs in the future. So that proactive attitude becomes something that is required now, and then we move on to a lifestyle that we didn't know before and we could predict. Then we are future doctors are more prepared to adapt to what we are facing soon. We call it more adaptive ability, the ability to be agent of change, because we don't understand what future change will look like. What we focus on during this process. Understanding to students is not only about the pandemic material itself, but that here we see an uncertainty. How shall we behave in the uncertainty? What decisions should you take in situation like this? It's not easy even being one. It might be a political issue, so between believing and no believing in all people like that. Even when the World Health Organization WHO were not of a pandemic, our country was not yet about 1 month away from the declaration. So we are still between believing and not believing. The World Health Organization says that that a possibility. It's true. Yes, so we have prepared from the beginning about this. We have what we have prepared that we have added to adapt. So, what is important in the quarantine condition is that we change what is adjusted to the situation and condition. First, medical doctor friend really became heroes at the time from the beginning to 1 year, but not infrequently later. So many cases of refusal of medical personnel to return home. There were interesting incidents at the beginning. For example, friends those who work in hospital like that, they just want to go home. It was rejected by their family. There were also boarding house. Finally, they opened the university with coordination. The university opened for isolation. Yes, but not to say there for a will, because people's understanding is still chaotic. To follow the new normal that do support the survival of human life itself. Because without it, maybe we ourselves will become extinct if we don't obey and we are not together to help each other to overcome this pandemic in us. Again, this pandemic is one thing related to health. There are many more things that are not only on this stage. It means that the responsibility to be healthy is our shared responsibility. Not only health workers, not only doctors, but all of us. Epidemiologists and health COVID-19 task force says vaccines are not the only solution to the coronavirus pandemic. This vaccine is not a single solution. We as the task force state that a vaccine is not a drug that kills COVID-19. Whoever gets the vaccine will not become immune but grow antibodies against COVID-19. For the reason, the public is asked to comply with health protocols. Vaccination and health protocol must go hand in hand in order to keep the positive number down. My message to all of us who are currently struggling with difficult times, staying at home may feel boring. Even if we are required to leave the house, we must obey strict health protocol, but hopefully people only go out of the house when it is necessary to break the rope of spirit. To all my friends, may we be given health always. Keep protecting ourselves, family, and others. Don't forget to wear a double mask. Wash your hands frequently. Keep your distance. Stay away from crowds. and limit mobilization and interaction. Finally, if there are errors in delivery, I apologize and thank you very much for all your attention.
Aku nggak benci Jakarta. Aku suka macetnya, padatnya, polusinya, berjam-jam di jalan. Seriusnya, karena di Jakarta, semua orang berada di state of trying. Trying to get home, trying to get work, trying to make money, trying to find better self, trying to stay, trying to live, trying to work things out.